Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about environment and human health. Okay, we will cover environment society relationship, hazards and disasters, medical and health geography, as disease and environment, key concepts, environmental determinism, epidemiological transition, disease ecology, geomedical approach, pollution and health nexus. Okay, let's start the class. Environment, health, relationship and core framework. Human health. There are four types of environment: physical environment, biological environment, chemical environment and social environment. Okay, the variety some characteristics from physical environment like features like temperature, ultraviolet radiation and radiation. Chemical environments, pollutants and toxins. Social environment, poverty and sanitation. And biological environment, pathogens and vectors are impact upon human health. Okay, geomedical approach studies spatial distribution diseases in relation to environmental factors. This is a key concept of UGC NET exam. Air pollution and human health. Major air pollutants. This is a pollutant source and health effect. PM 2.5 or PM 10 source vehicles and industry, health effect, lung disease and cancer. SO2 sulfur dioxide, fossil fuels, asthma and bronchitis. NOx nitrogen oxide, combustion, respiratory illness. Carbon monoxide, incomplete combustion, hypoxia, cardiac issues. Ozone, O3, photochemical smoke, lung inflammation, and lead, PB, leaded fuels, pains, and neurotoxicity in children. Okay, WHO, 9 out of 10 people breathe polluted air. According to India, NAAQS sets standards for 12 pollutants. London smoke 1952, 12,000 deaths. This is a landmark case. Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. MIC gas leak. This is the worst industrial disaster ever happened. AQI, air quality index, India's 6th category scale. Indoor air pollution, biomass burning affects rural women. Water pollution and waterborne diseases. Broadly classification of water-related disease: waterborne, cholera, typhoid, hepatitis A, dysentery and polio. Water-washed, trachoma, scabies, conjunctivitis due to poor hygiene. Water-based, schistosomiasis, snail host, guinea worm disease. Water-related, malaria, dengue, filariasis, insect breeding in water. Similarly, there are some chemical contaminants and effects: arsenic, arsenocosis, skin cancer, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Fluoride, fluorosis, dental and skeletal, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Nitrate, blue baby syndrome, methmoglobinemia. Lead, neurotoxic, stunted growth in children. Mercury, Minamata disease, neurological damage. Okay, United Nations SDG Goal 6. Clean water and sanitation. 2.2 billion people lack safe drinking water globally, according to WHO, UNICEF in 2023. Okay, climate change and human health. Heat stress. Heat waves, heat stroke, exhaustion, urban heat island effect amplifies risks. El Nino years show higher mortality. Vector-borne diseases, expanded range of malaria, dengue, Lyme disease moving to higher latitudes, warmer temperatures and faster pathogen replication. Food and nutrition, crop failures, malnutrition, reduced protein in carbon dioxide rich atmosphere, hunger hotspot in sub-Saharan Africa. Extreme events, floods, spread waterborne diseases, droughts, displacement, conflict, cyclones destroy health infrastructure. Mental health, eco-anxiety and climate grief emerging disaster, PTSD in vulnerable communities, forced migration impacts well-being. Air quality, higher temperatures, more ground level ozone, wildfires, smoke-related illness, and pollen seasons becoming longer. Okay, disease ecology and epidemiology. Omran's epidemiological transition theory. Stage 1, pestilence and famine. Infections disease dominant high mortality. Stage 2, receding pandemics, improved sanitation, declining mortality. Stage 3, degenerative diseases, NCDs, heart disease, cancer rise. Stage 4, delayed degenerative, medical advances, extend life development in developed nation. Okay, morbidity, that means rate of disease incidence in a population. Mortality, that death rate due to disease. endemic, disease constantly present in a region, epidemic, sudden rise in disease cases, pandemic, global disease spread like COVID-19, and zoonosis, disease transferred from animals to humans. Okay, these are some important terms. Okay. Industrial pollution, hazards and disasters. Landmark case studies. Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 in India. MIC gas leak, 3,700 plus immediate deaths, 5 lakhs exposed and ongoing health issues. Chernobyl disaster 1986, Ukraine, USSR. Radiation exposure, thyroid cancer spike, exclusion zone still active. Minamata disaster year 1950s in Japan, mercury dumping by Kiso Corporation, neurological disorders in fish eaters. Itai diseases in Japan, cadmium, poisoning from mining, bone softening, kidney failure. Love Canal 1970s USA, chemical waste buried under residential area, cancer cluster discovered. Environmental health legislation in India, 1974 Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981 Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1986 Environmental Protection Act EPA umbrella legislation, 1989 Hazardous Waste Management Rule, 2002 Biological Diversity Act, 2016 Environment Pollution Control Authority EPCA. Okay, medical geography and disease mapping. Pioneers in medical geography, John Snow, 1854. Cholera mapping in London, birth of epidemiology. Maximilian Schur, pathogenic complex concept, environment plus pathogen plus host. Andrew Learmont, disease ecology and medical geography in India. Jacques May, disease ecology, triad of host, agent and environment. Disease zones of India, NET focus, Northeast India, malaria, color azar, Japanese encephalitis, Rajasthan and arid, fluorosis, malnutrition, West Bengal and Bangladesh border, arsenic contamination, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, sickle cell anemia, malaria, Ganga plains and diarrhea, typhoid and hepatitis B. Okay, sustainable development and environmental health. Relevant UN United Nations SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. SDG 3, good health and well-being, and epidemics of AIDS, TB, malaria, reduce environmental health risks. SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, achieve universal access to safe drinking water by 2030. SDG 11, sustainable cities, reduce urban air pollution and provide safe public spaces. SDG 13, climate action, integrate climate change measures in policies, build resilience. SDG 15, life on land, halt biodiversity loss, restore degraded ecosystems. SDG 15, life on land, halt biodiversity loss, restore degraded ecosystems. Okay, environmental health is defined as all aspects of human health influenced by physical, chemical, biological, social and psychological factors in the environment. John Snow, 1854, first systematic use of disease mapping, cholera outbreak in Soho, London, trace to Broad Street water pump. Epidemiological triad, host, human, agent, pathogen, and environment, disease triangle. India's national ambient air quality standards set by CPCB for 12 pollutants. Gaia hypothesis, James Lovelock, Earth is a self-regulating system, environment and life are interconnected. Daily disability adjusted life years, measure of disease burden, years of life lost and years life with disability. Heat island effect, urban areas 2 to 5 degrees Celsius warmer than surroundings, aggregated respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Zoonotic diseases, 60% of human infection diseases are zoonotic. WHO examples are rabies, avian flu, COVID-19, Ebola. India's burden, communicable diseases, rising NCDs, double burden of disease. Paris Agreement 2015 limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, directly linked to reducing health impacts of climate change. Environment directly shapes human health through physical, chemical and biological pathways. Air, water and soil pollution are primary environment health threats, known pollutants plus diseases. It's important for that exam. Climate change is a threat multiplier for disease burden globally. Medical geography was special methods to analyze disease distribution. India faces a double burden, communicable plus non-communicable diseases. As diseases 3, 6, 11 and 13 are most relevant for environmental health linked in NET. Okay, no key legislation like EPA, Environmental Protection Act 1986, Water Act 1974 and Air Act 1981. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, Just let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.